Traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to the Texan Shaves. I know it's real echoey, always is in these hotel bathrooms, so I apologize about that. Just doing a travel shave, guys. About to go out to dinner, needed to get a shave. I got about 24 hours of growth, maybe a little more. I think it's more like a day and a half. What I've been bringing with me when I travel lately, and I think this is what I'm going to continue to bring with me until it's gone. Unfortunately, they don't make it anymore, but that is the MOGNO shave bar. I'm not sure if you all are familiar with one of these or not, but this is by Achbrito, Achbrito. They also are the makers of Lavande, which is a wonderful tube cream, but it's just like a bar soap, but it is a shaving soap. If you look there on the label, it says so. I have used this before. I had one of these before and used it, and I wanted to share it with some people. This is when it was still readily available, and I sent one to Doug Lane, and he absolutely loves it. But I had to get me another one, and when I went to go try to find one, I realized they no longer make it. It was really, really hard, and I finally found one. If I see it again, I'll probably buy another one. The scent on this is amazing. I can't remember what the exact notes are, but I'll tell you what, if you want to know what the scent's like, Denton Magic makes a soap that is this fragrance, and it's some barber. I'll put it up on the screen. It's a Portugal barber shop. I can't remember what he calls it. I had the name in my head. I'm not in a place where I can print my notes and tape it to the mirror like I normally do, so I apologize. Oh, it smells so good. So let's. I got everything ready. So I'm using my Smog Asylum brush. Absolutely love this synthetic knot in this. It's a great travel brush, and I brought with me the Alpha Shaving Works a Texan Shaves Lone Star razor. I have it loaded with a first use Tatara blade. And let's get the lather going. The glasses off and the face wet. And let's get the bar wet. And all I'm going to do is just rub it straight on the face, just like you would with any soap bar. Hopefully y'all can hear me all right. The acoustics in here are crazy. I did bring my mics with me, my lavalier mics, but I forgot to bring the attachment that goes to my phone. So let's get the brush wet now. Need a little bit more water in there. And this stuff will take plenty of water. Now you can just load your brush on the bar if you want to, if you don't want to rub it all over your face. Just going to keep adding. It is a wonderfully slick lather. More water. As you can see, I did not put a whole lot on. I probably could have put even less, honestly. More water on this side. Does not taste good. All right, I am currently in Odessa, Texas, traveling for another show. Just got here yesterday and set up today. By the time you see this will be the first day of the show. And that'll be tomorrow. It's if I'm able to get this uploaded in time. All right. Here we go. Absolutely one of my favorite shave soaps to take with me when I travel. It's very, very easy and compact to get in your DOP kit. Outstanding fragrance and performance. I've decided it's the only soap I'm bringing traveling anymore, unless there's just a video I have to make while I'm traveling. Now, if you do find one, when you're out and about shopping the shave stores, I would highly suggest grabbing it. Just be careful because it looks exactly like the bath soap. So be sure you read thoroughly that you got the right thing. I actually ordered one from Pasteur's a while back. And I ordered the right thing, but they sent me the bath soap because they look exactly alike. Beautiful. All right. We're just gonna do 2 passes. So I gotta hurry up and get ready. Beautiful. I don't know why they're discontinuing it. It's wonderful, wonderful stuff. But I don't know if it just didn't sell or what, but I can't imagine it didn't sell very well. So I will try to get another video up while I'm traveling. We'll see what I can do. But just know this is the only soap I brought. But I'll see about getting a head shave. All right, let me get a rinse, come back up for the aftershave. Be right back. All right, one thing I forgot to mention that this soap excels at, that I've noticed while traveling, is its performance in hard water is outstanding. I know how hard the water is here. I usually have had trouble lathering soaps that I've done travel shaves when I've been to Midland, Odessa, as well as Fort Worth. Both of those, I usually stay at the same place, and both of those locations that I stay at have very hard water, and definitely hard enough to kill my lather. And I've noticed that this MOGNO bar still lathers phenomenally in that hard water. It's another thing, another reason why I like taking it with me, because I don't have to guess. I can count on that soap always giving a good lather. All right, I did bring with me a Wild Fox Rituals. I don't have my glasses on. This is the Bergamot and Oak Moss, their aftershave. I like them because they're small plastic bottles, easy to pack, fit in a dot bag, and a little goes a long way with this stuff. It's more of a gel, kind of an aftershave serum, and I really like this post-shave skin feel of this. and it's a great scent that goes along with MOGNO. Oh yeah, really good. So yeah, comparing it to a deodorant stick, it's you know, that's the size. It's pretty compact. And I think that's it. That's all I brought. Find your peace in letting where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves.
Find your peace in what and where you can.